clamp up to them, blow up one thing.
Yeah.
Jingle ready now, man. Jingle ready.
Top Class Bros channel, yeah. Welcome to the channel, Top Class Bros. Viewers, Top Class Bros teaching you them fi uplift themselves. Me I tell you live a better life. Welcome to the channel. Always like, comment, subscribe. Viewers, don't forget Top Class Bros. Subscribe.
What's up, Top Class family? No, it's today again there from the Top Class Bros. Yeah, today, wife and one day boss I showed me and I tell him to come in, come, let me and him do some work on the dream door, you know what? You know I'm busy up and down, and this morning he called me and if I catch him a certain amount of time, but time passed me, so we're down here and we just want to give you an update how the thing are going. But before we jump into the video, we just big him up now, cause you know the thing go. My general.
Yeah, you know, so what they do. I'm another day, you know. Somebody may show the boss, my boss busy and things, so I don't get to see what I'm going, but we put out a whole heap of work for them small time days, you know.
True.
We go out that time when we're forward. Do a whole heap of things, you know.
Yeah.
So what go on.
Show them what going on. A Top Class family. But me never catch them and them start work on.
At one time, you show them.
Yeah.
And just start.
Just start.
2 weeks ago that.
9 jaw, Chester jaw. When you want to touch it, shine like dial. I show you the dream door, but so I show you them here first, alright? So a 9 jaw dresser.
Production and go on, you know.
Yeah, man.
So we like work, you know, like work for one sit or something at a time, you know, we like
Yeah.
mix up the thing. It's like what I think I'm work for me just do this and set it and just done.
Oh, so I want to set this.
One set.
The king size out there, so the on it too?
Yeah. No, like mix up the thing, you see me? Like different
Oh, this 5 jaw, a 5 jaw, 7 jaw.
No, like I make different.
Okay, we get to see you all, man.
Yeah.
Yeah. See, mirror frame them here. So the brethren can buy the glass to get them installed. So by later I will fit them up. Yeah, man. Backside. Good job, so remember, as my boss say, what you call him? You set?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, if you need the set, okay, I'm call him.
Last man I come there.
Oh. Come in, class man.
How are you? What are you? King.
I say class then go and buy class then reach back. You might reach in time. Alright. You install them today though?
Yeah, today we have some fitting up and everything I go on.
Alright, we are there if you catch that piece of work then.
Yeah, right now we have to start out and cut up and do
Everything. So stay tuned top. Oh, I'm showing you this. King size. You want to have any joy them in the Top Class.
Yeah, see, I have to done them. I haven't done anything about to start something new again. I start the kitchen I make up there now.
The kitchen?
Kitchen cover. You want kitchen cover, you know. As I say, something like her. I like do a set of work.
Yeah.
I don't like mix up the thing like I work on this and I work on that. Like just deal with a set of things and just done them.
Gone on something.
Yeah, I don't want the hold up with the work. Because if I do more one something at a time,
Yeah.
I hold up and no revenue now come in. You see?
I true. You can't complete a job.
Yeah, we have to just start out and put out the thing.
Alright.
Start up something new right away. Because we not delay, man.
Yeah, I true.
Delay a day, you know, so we have to just work, you see?
I true. And
Alright, now.
you see that kitchen, I'm not cut it. You see that kitchen counter, yeah? I mean, the boss come measure it up for that.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Alright, now after we done them, I say we don't really have nothing in store, so anybody interested can just link me up and things. So
Yeah.
we don't really have nothing after them. And maybe about the next 3 weeks or so, they may have a finish, so. Yeah, link me up here now.
Alright. Yeah. Empty out somewhere right now. You show them how I go and feed dream door, no?
Gym door. You see a clamp. I said we have to the panel them and now see there. Panel clamp up to the blow up and thing.
Yeah.
Gym door ready now, man. Gym door are going to roll. This small panel them clamp up now one day. Cut out here now, cut the shape on them. And cut them on the rotor.
Okay. So this are going here, so?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, everything clamp up top class family.
Yeah. So, gym door. We soon jump over that early there.
Yeah.
The next early we are jump over. But give thanks to everything, you know. We give thanks to the love and support. We want to get the channel to the 10K, you know, because we want the birds them again for
Yeah.
support, you see me?
Alright.
And we have put out some mirror, some small mirror frame where people can purchase.
Oh.
Every time I make one and put it on the platform, you couldn't see it. But you know, when you want to do your ear and thing, you have a look at mirror, you're looking at, you know them?
Yeah, we know them.
Yeah,
Yeah, true.
deal with some of them, when you use them or design them and put them on road. You see, so look forward to that.
Alright. So, alright, stop class family. Stay tuned there at the workshop, you know. Yeah.
Man, angle them this, you know.
Yeah, one.
Match up to the natural color.
And there?
Yeah? Natural color, almost match.
Oh. Alright, I see what I got on top class.
Yeah, we are fit up, do some
Fit up.
in the idea and we see what I want.
Alright.
You know? Continue to support the channel.
Yes, stop class family, so basically they didn't up to make a fast run. Yeah, so we just tell them to make the video and send it from give me, alright? But at this point, as I can see, all of the handles install on the Tresta jar, the dresser, and the glass, the mirror them install also, and everything look good. As you can see, it's very beautiful. Them look very nice, and as I say, I'm gonna build up the kitchen counter. No, build up the kitchen cupboards. I think one island for make too. Yeah man, I'm gonna make up all of that. And we just want to big up the supporter there. Yeah, who see the thing, support the channel from long time and make a call Richie, and you know, carrying on the location. Me and him go measure up everything, but I was there because me don't know the work, you understand? So he measure up everything, so I hit him I go start build up there now. So as him say, really like he just depend on a whole heap of work, like mafia do that, mafia do that. You understand? Him just like we just complete a job, done with it and start on the next one. So as him say, after him done the kitchen cupboard there, he no really go have no more work in store right now. So if you need something right now is the time where you can give him a call and just line up. You understand? Because as you know, you can get work straight. You You understand? You just get work straight. So maybe if you want to be the next person in line, you can just make a call and just link him up. Number is in the description and number pinned in the comment section. Alright? Yeah man. So thank you so much for the love and support. If you're new to the channel, please remember subscribe, share the videos. Alright? Yeah man. Love you guys. Enough love. Yeah man. And remember, subscribe, 10k subscribers by the end of July, alright? And please share the videos because as you know, we are motivate a whole heap of people and we still are trying to help the youths them put out them talent out there, alright? Yeah man. Love you guys. Are out.